Welcome friends. In today's video is a review of Microban multi-purpose cleaner, but using it on fabric. I've used this product often as well as the sanitizing spray on all my hard surfaces. But did you know friends that you can use it to clean fabrics as well? So I wanted to try it out on my patio furniture. The birds love to hang out on my brick facing and leave their business all over, so my patio furniture is no exception. Well, enough talking about it, friends. You know how we do. Let's get started. All right, friends, after 24 hours of drying time, this is the end result. The Microban worked great on the stains and left a nice pleasant scent that lasted about 3 days. So I'm very happy with the great job it did. I will leave the link to all the products I've used and mentioned in this video in the description box below. And let me know in the comment section, friends, have you used the Microban to clean your fabric surfaces? And what kind of result did you achieve? Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, friends.